Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You log into your WordPress dashboard and open the post or page you'll edit. Click the block containing your text or add a paragraph block. Once you've placed your cursor where the link should go, select the visible text you want linked. If you prefer, click the chain icon in the editor toolbar to open the link field. This starts the actual link creation step rather than sitting on settings. Move directly into the Add Link box to enter the URL. You paste or type the full URL into the link field. Use https:// for external addresses so browsers treat it as secure. Once done, press Enter or click the arrow to apply. Make sure to toggle the option to open in a new tab for outbound links to keep users on your site. For SEO or affiliate links, add rel attributes like nofollow. Use the advanced link options. If linking to media, choose the file from Media Library to ensure correct path and file behavior. You update or publish the page to save your changes, then view the live page to test the link. Click it to confirm it opens correctly, test on mobile, and another browser to rule out caching or device issues. If the link returns a 404 or unexpected page, check the URL spelling and the target page slug. Make sure permalinks are configured correctly in Settings Permalinks, and if needed, clear site cache or CDN. This verifies the link works reliably across users.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.